Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create a WhatsApp backup on the Vivo X200 Pro. Alright, so let's begin. So basically the process is really easy. All you need to do is to get into your WhatsApp, and now on the top right corner we have those three dots. So we want to click on them, and now we can go straight into the settings. Now we want to look for the chats, and now into the chat backup. Okay, so below we have a few options. I'm gonna describe the most important ones. So in the Google account, you need to select your Google account, and on that account the backup will be made, so you can't forget it, otherwise you won't be able to restore it in the future. But also, if you don't have one, simply click on Add Account, and in here simply type your email or phone number, click on Next, and if you don't have account, simply click on Create. Okay, so once it's done, below we have automatic backups. As you can see, by defaultly it's set on off, but you can select it on daily, weekly, monthly, or only when I tap backup. So let's say I will choose the weekly mode, and now each week the phone will automatically made backup of the WhatsApp. Also below we have the option to include videos. We can enable it. And also on the bottom we have something called end-to-end encrypted backup. If you click on this and turn it on, basically in here now you'll create a unique password that you will need to restore your backup. So if you choose to create it, please don't forget that, otherwise you won't be able to restore your backup in the future. Okay, so once everything is done, all we need to do is to click on this green button, backup. Now the process has started, so let's wait a little bit until it's finished. It shouldn't take long because there are not a lot of messages on our WhatsApp. And now it's done. Okay, so that's the whole process. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.